Hello everyone, in this section we will learn how to delete a table using SQL. You can like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us. I am writing a select query to see the data in the table we will apply. It contains 91 records. I'm going to do a deletion on this table. I write the table name after the delete from syntax. I will use the where condition to specify which data to delete. I specify any customer name value. I will delete the first data. A row has been deleted. I'll check the chart. The first data was deleted. We have to be very careful while deleting, because more than one row in the same column can have the same information. In such a case, more than one row may be deleted. For example, this table has multiple Mexico values. If we delete to Mexico data, multiple values will be deleted. 5 records deleted. You may be accidentally deleting more than one record. You have to be very careful with this. Let's check that the values are indeed deleted. Let's do more specific deletions. For example, let's delete a value that belongs to a specific country and city. Six values have been deleted. Let's check that the value is deleted. If the delete operation is performed without the where condition, it will delete the entire table. 79 columns were deleted. There should be no records in the table at this time. Let's check. There is no value. I reset the database with the Restore Database button. The database has been reset. 91 records listed. Let's do something with postal code and country. One record deleted. I'm checking with Select. In this section, we learned how to delete with SQL. Thanks for watching. You can like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us.